90s up here, or high 90s. We are going on a pretty long cruise again. Last time I went on a big cruise, I ended up having to get some work done, and then it became a fiasco, and then we decided, you know what, since we're in there, let's just go 2.8 stroker. But that shouldn't be the case today. We are following JR, previously known as My WRX channel. Now he rebranded to Cars with JR, so check out his YouTube. But yeah, we'll be joining him and two of his buddies from the other side of the water. Then we got Tyler meeting up with us with his Mark IV Supra, and then Nick, he has a new Toyota GR86. He has the brand new one. I think it's 2022, 2021. Anyways, he got the first one of the new body style, and already got it wrapped and tracks it. So he'll be joining us today. So it should just be a good time. We're just gonna go on the cruise around the Hood Canal, then go up in the Olympic Mountains. So yeah, it's gonna be a long haul. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll just get some good shots from what I can with this GoPro. All right, so we made it to the first meetup spot for our cruise here. We got a sweet M3. Really like it, especially for 4-door. Man, really nice. And then, of course, Mark V Supra. Black, really sick. JR Supra. So these are, I think, are the same fenders JR has. He said he just wants to paint them. So you got exposed carbon fiber. And then I got this garbage car.
Garbage car.
And here's Nick's GR86.
Can't really break the tires loose or anything like that.
Yeah, so we're gonna go meet up with Tyler, or waiting for him. We'll figure it out, but then yeah, we'll cruise around. All right, so we're getting ready on the cruise. So what do you think, guys? You guys excited for this?
Oh yeah, brother.
Pretty excited.
You know?
Yeah,
This is gonna be hot as shit, dude.
it is. So
It's gonna be cool around the
we're
mountain.
gonna drink plenty of water, right? We're gonna do 5 miles, pull over water.
Yeah.
Sound good? Stay hydrated. Here we go, Tyler. What's up? Let's see that key.
Oh, we get some more oil.
Look at that. That's gold.
Don't worry. It's all
24 karat, right?
Yeah, something like that.
So we're gonna get going. I don't know who's gonna lead, but look at that lineup. And we got GR86 right there.
You're right. Now I
Got our radio.
not just shedding. Swiffer Sweeper Pet.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Furniture for every room in your home. Discover top quality at the best price. Visit us in Kirkland, Glenwood, Tukwila, or our brand new showroom now open in Tacoma, or shopdaniafurniture.com.
We came across this Charger RT. It's purple. This thing is freaking clean. Look at that. This is definitely Fast and Furious lineup now. That's cool. first scenic stop anyway. All scattered in this gravel pit. Got a nice new rock chip, but it was worth it. Something about those 90s windshields, I don't know if they're the durability sucks on them, but yeah, we'll fix it. Had some nice pools, huh, JR?
I know. Too much traffic though, man.
It is.
You know, it's a Saturday morning, so I mean, what do you expect?
Saturday morning, hot out. Man, I haven't had this view of the lake before. I went diving in this lake a while back, but yeah, it's
down here, right?
it's real pretty. Yeah, I went diving out here before, but I haven't seen this view.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Man, that was fun. park. I think it's national park. Could be state park. Pretty sure it's national park. I don't know. We'll see the footage. But anyways, we're climbing up the hill right now. Is it a hill? I meant we're climbing up the mountain right now. It is super nice up here. It's really hot, but I never been up here without snow, so they got a lot of like snowboarding and sledding. I mean, it's not the best spot to go, but it's still pretty neat and not too many people come here. So seeing it during the summertime, it looks really nice out. Just getting some spots. Pretty. Kind of hard to find a group spot, but we make it work. Dang, it is nice up here though.
I'm just, yeah, my fuel gauge light needle went out.
Oh really?
Yeah, so.
90s problems, man.
Well, it's the LED conversion, so something, I don't know if maybe it got hot and melted something back there or what.
Could be. I mean, mine, this is the hottest temp I had in my engine. Even at the track it didn't get this hot. First time up here?
Pretty dope. I've never been up here. This is
First time for you too?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Welcome to the west side, bro.
Yeah. The Olympic Mountains.
West side.
Hurricane Ridge.
Well, west side of Washington.
Yeah, right?
Western.
We'll walk around.
Real Western
West
Washington.
of West.
But up there you can snowboard up there.
Western.
Pretty neat.
Is that the Tubin Hill and Snowboarding Hill?
The Tubin Hill is like down the ways a little bit, but that's like the snowboarding one, and then this is the Bunny Hill. It's actually where I learned to snowboard, then I went up to the actual mountains.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Do they have like a pole rope or anything?
Yeah,
like
it's a
tow
pull rope.
That's sick.
Pull rope. You go through gloves like crazy, but
Oh, I bet.
it's fun though. We'll try to go to a group spot too, like I said. But it's pretty crowded up here. Luckily, they got some food up here because we are starving. I don't really like to record in here, you know what I mean? It's kind of awkward, but
Is that the line over
there's the
there?
shot. I'm gonna end it. Oh, come on, JR. Oh, what are you doing?
That was the line over there, man.
Everywhere's a line.
I'm looking at the feet.
Feet? Oh, yeah. Well, now the feet are the wrong way. We got a moonwalk in this line.
My bad, guys.
Those are the vlogs. Right, I'm dipping my stuff too. Look at that.
Don't touch it. Right.
Can you try this real quick? I'm good. Well, we just had lunch up here, so chicken tendies were good. You guys nice and full? All good? All right, somehow we managed to get a pretty good spot at the top with all our cars lined up.
Whoa. BMWs only, bro.
Oh yeah. Up at Hurricane Ridge, causing a storm up here. And we got these guys up here.
Okay, sorry.
I knew it, that's why I didn't go up there. You got it though, right? You got it? There you go. I'm gonna put a link to Vin's here. What's your
Vingeta. So it's at VINHGETA. If you guys watch Dragon Ball Z, you'll know.
There you go. So yeah, just check out the descriptions. Once JR's and Vin's video goes, I'll put links in my description, so be sure to check that out. Tyler got this $5,000 mod right here,
That's not charging.
but
It's not charging.
it's faulty. Amazon special. Don't do it.
You put the end of your phone to it.
For what?
Put your antenna at the top part of your phone. There you go. You have to have it unlocked, I think.
What does it do?
Oh, there you go. Oh, technology.
Yeah.
What'd it do? I can't see it
It
on
says Instagram NFC,
Oh shit.
and it takes it to Tyler 2JZ.
That's dope.
That's nifty. We're gonna call it an end here. Just enjoy the drive back, because you know, just mobbing around is fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's not a lot of talking or vlogging on this one, but hey, we got some shots and hope you guys got some good scenery. And I'd recommend driving up here. Anyways, you guys have a good one. Take care. Peace out.